CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
There is a $50 part under your car right now that almost everyone ignores. But if it fails at 60 miles per hour, your steering becomes a suggestion rather than a command. We have all heard the clunks and felt the shakes, but most drivers think they can squeeze out another 1,000 miles. Today, we are exposing why that is a gamble you will eventually lose. I am your lead technician today, and we are diving into the world of tie rods. By the end of this, you will know exactly why your mechanic is not just upselling you on that alignment. So, what is a tie rod? Think of it as the literal bridge between your steering wheel and your tires. It is the component that translates your turn into action. It consists of an inner rod connected to the steering rack and an outer rod that attaches to the steering knuckle. These two pieces work in perfect harmony to keep your wheels pointed where you want them. Without tie rods, your steering wheel would just be a spinning toy. They provide the pivot point and the structural link necessary for precision control at any speed. But what happens when these bridges start to crumble? When a tie rod goes bad, it is usually the ball joint that has failed. It develops play or loose movement. The first thing you will notice is a vibration in the steering wheel. That is the wheel literally wobbling back and forth because the tie rod can no longer hold it steady. Then comes the noise. A distinct clunking or squeaking when you turn or hit a bump. That is metal-on-metal contact where a smooth pivot should be. And the most expensive symptom? Uneven tire wear. A loose tie rod ruins your alignment, dragging your tires across the pavement instead of letting them roll. Now, for the question that gets people in trouble. Is it safe to drive with a broken tie rod? The short answer is a definitive, absolute no. If a tie rod snaps while you are driving, that wheel is no longer connected to your steering. It will flop to whatever side the road forces it, causing an immediate, uncontrollable pull. At highway speeds, this is a recipe for a catastrophic accident. You lose the ability to steer away from obstacles or even maintain your lane. It is a total mechanical failure. This brings us to the controversy. Why does every mechanic insist on a vehicle alignment after replacing a tie rod? Is it a scam? Let us look at the facts. The tie rod is the primary tool used to set your vehicle's toe, the angle at which the tires point toward or away from each other. Even a fraction of a millimeter matters. No two parts are identical. Even if you count the threads when removing the old one, the new part's internal geometry will be slightly different. Eyeballing it is never enough. Modern cars require precision measured in hundredths of a degree. Without a professional alignment, you will destroy a new set of tires in less than 500 miles. An unaligned car will pull to one side, feel darty or nervous on the road, and significantly increase your stopping distance in an emergency. It is a safety issue, not an upsell. Here is the detail almost everyone misses. Checking your tie rods should be part of every oil change. A torn rubber boot is the early warning sign that grease is out and grit is in. Catching a failing boot early can save you from the expensive repair later. Once that grease is contaminated, the countdown to total failure begins. The truth they do not want you to know? Many quick lube shops completely skip this inspection. You need a technician who actually gets under the car and shakes the suspension. While you can technically replace a tie rod in your driveway, you cannot perform the necessary alignment. You are only doing half the job and risking your safety. Let us recap the warning signs. Shaking steering, clunking sounds, uneven tire wear, and a car that feels like it has a mind of its own. Do not ignore these. A $50 part and a $100 alignment are a small price to pay compared to an $800 set of tires or the infinite cost of an accident. In the automotive world, precision is safety. Your tie rods are the unsung heroes of every mile you drive. Treat them with the respect they deserve. From the bridge between your rack and wheels to the critical toe-in angles, we have covered why this simple rod is the foundation of your steering integrity. I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a tie rod fail on the road? Or did a mechanic try to skip your alignment? Let us start the debate in the comments. We bring you the facts that others miss, from the mechanics of your car to the mechanics of the economy. Stay informed and stay safe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You do not want to miss our next deep dive into the hidden systems that keep your life moving. Thanks for watching. Remember, A well-maintained car is not just a luxury, it is a responsibility. See you in the next one. But wait, we are not done yet. Many people ask about the inner tie rod. Is it just as critical? Let us break down the inner workings of the steering rack. The inner tie rod is protected by a rubber boot, but it is the part that actually threads into the rack. It is the hidden half of the steering equation. When the inner rod fails, it often leads to steering rack damage.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
That is a multi-$1,000 repair that started with a simple ignored clunk. The truth about sealed units? They are designed to fail eventually. Greasable tie rods allow you to flush out contaminants, but they are becoming rare in modern cars. The quality of the metal matters. Cheap cast iron replacements can snap under sudden stress, whereas forged steel bends. Always ask what material your parts are made of. As car prices skyrocket, maintaining what you have is the only way to protect your investment. A small part today saves a big bill tomorrow. With the shift to electric vehicles and steer-by-wire, the physical tie rod is evolving, but the fundamental need for precise alignment remains the same. I cannot stress this enough. If your car is shaking, do not wait and see. That shake is your car telling you something is about to break. Listen to it. This is the reality of neglect. It takes seconds for a minor issue to become a total loss. Be the driver who knows better. We have covered the bridge, the symptoms, the safety, and the absolute necessity of the alignment. You are now more informed than 90% of drivers. Knowledge is power, but only if you act on it. Take a look under your car this weekend or ask your mechanic to show you the tie rods. What other hidden parts do you want me to expose next? Ball joints? Control arms? Let me know what is making noise in your ride. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand your car better. It helps us reach more drivers and keep the road safer for everyone. I am your technician, and this has been your deep dive into the world of steering. Until next time, keep those wheels straight and your grease fresh. Check out our other videos on automotive safety and market trends. Your support allows us to keep digging deeper. Stay safe out there. We will see you in the next deep dive. Goodbye for now. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.